Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those of you watching on OneSpotMedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, Gregory Roberts, the man who was on trial for the murder of 15-year-old Shanika Gray in 2017, was this afternoon found guilty.
Family members have been reacting to the news. Here's Anthony Lugg with that report.
Today justice prevailed. I am in total disbelief, but it's the best decision the jurors could have made.
The deceased teen's aunt, moments after the 7-member panel of jurors handed down a guilty verdict in the St. James Circuit Court on Wednesday. The woman, who fought the tears as she spoke with journalists outside the courthouse, said the last 7 years have been filled with a roller coaster of emotions for the family.
I am tired, I am weary, but even though I'm crying, I am joyful. I think they made the best, the necessary decision of putting away Gregory.
Gray, who was a grade 10 student, was found dead 3 days after she was reported missing. She was last seen on her way home from the funeral of a schoolmate. Gregory Roberts and his co-accused Mario Morrison were later taken into custody in connection with the killing. However, Morrison later pleaded guilty in 2022 and was sentenced to life in prison after entering a guilty plea. But with Roberts now being found guilty, the family is hoping for one thing.
I'm praying for a maximum of anything. Maximum of anything, that's what Gregory deserves.
Roberts will be sentenced in March. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.